Hey guys, welcome back to Step for Living. I know this is a little last minute, but this is a very fast Easter craft you can do, which will make for a really good keepsake. I've been seeing these all over Pinterest, so I knew I had to make my own. I made one in black and white, and you can have your kids color it in, and I made one in color. And it's just such a simple craft. It really, like, no prep work needed. All you need to do is go to my blog. You can print this out 100% for free. And then you just need some orange paint, a brush, and a kid that'll sit still long enough for you to get their footprint.